Hi friends, it's Miss Caroline. I thought today I would show you how to do another fun craft, and it's something that we actually do during creative movement together. So this way you can make something of your own to do at home and have it remind you of preschool. So the things you're gonna need for this craft are a cardboard box. I took a big box and I cut it up into smaller squares and made a cube. So you wanna make a cube, and you can make this out of a cereal box or a box that's delivered to your house, but you will need help from mom or dad on this. You'll also need some scissors to cut up the box and to cut up your paper. You'll need some pieces of paper, and you will also need some markers, and finally some tape. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make yourself a cube. So after you do that and you tape all the sides together, you can make it any size you want. You can make it big, small. You could also use a tissue box for this. That would be a really great box that's already made for you. Then you want to cut out 6 little pieces of paper to fit on the sides of your cube. So I cut out my 6 pieces of paper, and then you want to draw something different on each piece. So it needs to be an action that you can do with your body. So the ones I did were hop like a bunny, run to a tree, because usually we do run to a door, but this is a really great game to play outside, and I bet all of you have a tree nearby your house. But you could do whatever you want. And then this one is gallop like a horse, swim like a fish, spin in a circle, and the last one is 5 jumping jacks. So after you cut out those pieces and you draw with your markers, you can decorate it any way you want. Then you want to tape them onto the sides of your box. So you put one on every side. So I'm going to tape these on here. And you can use tape for this. You could also use glue, whatever you have at home. Two, and there we go. Now you might remember how to play this game, and if you do, you could teach your brothers or sisters or mom or dad how to play it. So the way we play it is everybody gets a turn, and you hold the cube and you roll it on the floor. You toss it and let it roll, and whatever is on top is what you do. So this time I rolled it, and on top was 5 jumping jacks. So everybody has to do 5 jumping jacks, all right? And then when it's horse, you gallop around like a horse, or you swim like a fish, or you spin in a swirly circle, or you run to a tree, or you hop like a bunny. So those are the 6 actions that I chose, but you can pick any ones that you want. So it would be really cool to create some new ones that maybe we haven't done before. All right, thanks friends, bye-bye.